Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath. Today's video, these 21 stocks above RSI 70, be careful while buying fresh. The rally continued today too. Nifty crossed 22,750 mark and Sensex touched the 75,000 mark for the first time in history. But closing was slightly negative, but still overall trend has been positive. Most of the individual stocks have already given good profits in the short term and are in hold zone. Many investors would not have bought stocks when they were showing buy indication and may be feeling FOMO or fear of missing out. They may be feeling that at least let me buy now so that I can get the future profits. But watch this very important video to understand what actions you may need to take. When we buy for short term, the time of buying and the selling is very important since we can make good profits only if the timing of the transactions is correct. As of now, many stocks have gone quite high and are in overbought zone, that is RSI above 70. Although the stock price can rise even if RSI is above 70, freshly buying such stocks for short term involves higher risk. We need to be cautious. Even as per other technical parameters, many stocks may be in hold zone for short term. Nifty 50 stocks with RSI above 70. These are the stocks. Hindalco Industries, number 1, 70 is the RSI. Tata Steel also RSI 70, Mahindra RSI 74, HDFC Bank 73, NTPC 70, Maruti Suzuki 73. Nifty Mid Cap 50 stocks with RSI above 70, Godrej Properties RSI 72, SAIL RSI 70, Voltas 80 and Honeywell Automation 79 is the RSI. Other stocks with RSI above 70, Zomato 72, Hindustan Copper 76, Motilal Oswal Financial Services 78, Vedanta 80, Torrent Power 78, Info Edge 79, Muthoot Finance 79, Avenue Supermart 76, Interglobe Aviation 73, Siemens 77, Nykaa 72 is the RSI. So if you are looking to buy stocks for short term, you must see a buy indication as per 30 DMA or any other technical indicator. Don't just buy assuming that market will keep going up. There can be corrections now and then. However, you must be alert and watch markets every day, since if a sell indication arises, you must be ready to sell. So once you buy for short term, you have to track the markets every day. Whenever the sell indication comes, even if you are making a small loss, you should sell, not wait for the rally to again continue. Also, check the stocks which you are holding for short term and see if their RSI is reaching 70. RSI 70 is an indication of needing to be very alert and careful with stocks you have bought for short term. Many investors fail to sell stocks when the sell indication arises and then get stuck for many months with the stock since it may take some time to rally. So very important, once you buy for short term, follow the technical analysis indications and only then will you make profits. If you don't follow the rules, then very likely that in spite of having profits, you may end up with no profits because you may not be booking the profits at the right time. If you like this video, please click the like button. And in the last financial year, approximately how much profits did you make from short-term trades? You can see this in your trading app. You will know from April to March what were the profits. Type the amount in the comment section because it will motivate everybody to do better in their trading. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.